Magandang araw, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Again, we the ERRX Recruitment Consulting and we are accredited by DMW with accreditation number DMW-196-LB121222-R. Ako nga po pala si Mr. RM, ang inyong accredited recruitment officer maghatid ng mga balitang trabaho abroad. Sa mga nais mag-apply, mag-send lamang ng inyong application sa aking email, rmpadilla.erxconsulting@gmail.com. Kami po muli ay nangailangan ng mga sumusunod. Driver, light vehicles. Kailangan din namin ng riders or motorcycle delivery riders, security officers, front desk agent, guest service agent, front office supervisors, room attendant, laundry attendant, housekeeping supervisors, waiters, waitress, bartenders, host, hostess, and buzzers. Again, this is bound for United Arab Emirates. Sa mga nais mag-apply, just send us your application sa aking email, rmpadilla.erxconsulting@gmail.com. Once again, this is Mr. R.M. Padilla, ang iyong accredited recruitment officers, and we are the ERRX Recruitment Consulting, your recruitment specialist. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, everyone.